Welcome to Indian Box. Savor the purity of tradition. India's organic spices and condiments bring you the authentic taste of the land, cultivated through time-honored farming practices. Grown without chemicals and rich in natural antioxidants, these ingredients not only elevate your meals but also promote holistic well-being. Every purchase supports ethical farming, fair trade, and sustainable livelihoods for local growers. At Indian Box, we invite you to experience the pure, vibrant flavors of India, where every spice tells a story of care, culture, and conscious living. Indian organic spices offer pure flavors cultivated through age-old methods, ensuring untainted taste. These spices are rich in antioxidants, promoting better health without chemicals. By choosing these products, you support sustainable practices, ethical farming, and fair trade, contributing to a healthier planet and community. India's spice heritage spans over 4,000 years, rooted in ancient traditions. The global spice trade, driven by Indian spices, fueled exploration and commerce. Today, organic certification ensures these time-honored practices are preserved, maintaining the integrity and authenticity of Indian spices in the modern market. Our spices are cultivated without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, ensuring pure flavors. Traditional methods, honed over centuries, preserve authentic aromas and enhance potency. Experience superior color, aroma, and taste evident in both raw and cooked forms, offering a sensory excellence that elevates every dish. Kerala offers black pepper, cardamom, and cinnamon, each with unique flavors. Kashmir is renowned for its premium saffron and Kashmiri chili, adding depth to dishes. Gujarat specializes in cumin, fenugreek, and asafoetida, essential for authentic Indian cuisine. Tamil Nadu provides turmeric, curry leaves, and star anise, enhancing both taste and health benefits. Organic spices are potent health allies. They naturally combat chronic inflammation, offering anti-inflammatory properties. Rich in antioxidants, they effectively neutralize free radicals. Additionally, these spices support digestive health, enhancing gut function. Their benefits are rooted in both traditional practices and modern scientific research, making them essential for a healthy lifestyle. Our organic spices are nutritional powerhouses, boosting 6 times the antioxidants compared to non-organic options. They are 100% natural, free from synthetic additives and preservatives, ensuring purity. Each serving delivers over 20 essential nutrients, providing vital vitamins and minerals. This makes them an excellent choice for enhancing both flavor and health. Organic certification standards ensure farms are chemical-free for at least 3 years through strict field assessments. Processing facilities must meet rigorous standards, prohibiting chemical additives. Regular monitoring and testing maintain product quality from farm to table, ensuring compliance and integrity in organic production. Sustainable farming practices enhance productivity and environmental health. Natural pest management employs beneficial insects and companion planting. Crop rotation maintains soil nutrients and prevents disease. Efficient irrigation techniques conserve water, while composting transforms organic matter into natural fertilizers. These methods ensure long-term agricultural sustainability and resilience. Our farmers receive premium prices for their organic crops, ensuring sustainable livelihoods. Each purchase supports rural communities economically. Farmers gain training in advanced organic techniques, enhancing crop quality and environmental stewardship. Knowledge sharing fosters community resilience. Proceeds fund local education and healthcare, strengthening the entire community and creating positive social impact beyond fair wages. Our organic products' journey from farm to table begins with traditional cultivation methods. Crops are handpicked at peak ripeness, ensuring quality. Processing involves natural drying and careful grinding, maintaining flavor integrity. Finally, packaging is meticulously sealed to preserve freshness, delivering premium quality to your table. Explore our popular organic products. Premium black pepper from Kerala's Malabar coast offers bold, aromatic peppercorns. Kashmir saffron provides delicate threads with intense color and aroma. Our garam masala blend ensures a perfect balance of warming spices for authentic flavor. Cold-pressed oils, including mustard, coconut, and sesame, are derived from heritage seeds. Our organic spices elevate curries, marinades, and beverages with authentic flavors. They enrich desserts and breads, offering a unique twist to traditional recipes. Even pickles benefit from their aromatic depth, making them a versatile choice for both Indian and fusion cuisines. Sarah Chain, executive chef at Harmony Restaurants, praises the quality and flavor intensity of our organic spices. She notes how they transformed their menu, with customers immediately noticing the difference. This highlights the impact of authentic ingredients in elevating culinary experiences. Thank you for those eager to explore authentic Indian flavors. Visit us in Modinagar, Uttar Pradesh. Call us at +91 8755300795 or email support@indianbox.com. Discover our full range of organic spices and condiments at https://indiaunbox.com/. Experience the true taste of India with our premium offerings.